So our Makita finally made its last carve? What gave it away? The smoke that was coming from the top of it. So as an interim measure, because we need to keep the machine going, we are installing a bower. Check this out.
Unfortunately, our Makita we bought in 2021 has failed, and the availability here in North Alabama is not great. They're 169 bucks, which is not too bad. I don't mind spending the money. I just can't get my hands on one for the next 4 or 5 days, it looks like. So what I did was went to Harbor Freight and bought the bower, and the parts are the right size to mate up with the mount. The cord is not long enough to reach down through the way it was previously routed, and going to have to work around that for a little while. May just run an extension cord through the name of that escapes me at the moment. Anyway, the plastic drag link. That's what I was looking for. So anyway, if you decide that you need an interim router and want to go with the bower, it does fit, bolts up nicely, and may work very well. But you're going to have to account for the getting the power to the unit, because as of right now, the cable is too short, and an extension cord is going to be necessary. So you might even want to have a Makita on hand for when something like this happens. I was right in the middle of a pretty good paying job, and now it's going to be another day at least before the customer gets what he ordered. So that's to be avoided. Anyway, thought this might help some people. Leave some info in the comments if I've overlooked anything, or if you found this helpful. Would love to hear from you.